Guys, we reached 1,000 subscribers! What's up guys, it's Mike again, and today I just want to make a video to thank you for making this happen. Thank you for your support and thank you for your kind words. Your comments really mean a lot to me, even if you're haters. But it's okay, thanks for watching anyways. But no, seriously, I've received so much love from you guys. I always love reading your comments. It just makes my day. I've never imagined reaching, actually no, I didn't imagine it. I just didn't think it would go so fast because it actually took me a whole year to get to 500 subscribers and just another month to go from 500 to 1,000. That's mind-blowing. So I just want to thank you very much for all your comments. It just means so much to me. Just a little bit about who I am. My background's in accounting and finance, and I never thought that I could make content that people would actually like. So this is actually very exciting. But anyways, you might have found my channel through my minimalism videos, my vlogs, and my product reviews. Today, I'm more than excited to tell you guys the direction of this channel. This channel is going to be dedicated to help you discover things that make your everyday life simpler. So what that means is that I'll be reviewing everyday tech, everyday bags, things that you use every day. I don't know how simpler it can get. So everything that I've reviewed so far aren't sponsored. I'm not paid to say anything, and if I do get sponsored in the future, which is the goal, you can still expect me to tell you all the flaws, all the negative stuff. I can tell you straight up that it sucks, because you know, I got you. And I just find things to complain about, because there are some things that just aren't right in the world. And my goal is to make my channel your last stop and your last review. Anyways, you can count on me to upload at least once a week, either on Monday or on Friday. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button with the notification on. And for my current subscribers, I would love to get to know you better. Just let me know in the comments below which video you followed me from, what's your favorite video, what you'd like to see me review, or you know what, just drop a hello and I'll say hello back to you. So that is all. I just want to say thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.